Random general education information. What to expect? Helpful information, some are keywords, some are not, and quality reviewer. First elected Speaker of the House of the Philippine Assembly, Serios Menya Sr. First to introduce the Islamic religion in the Philippines, Mukdum. Marcos placed the country under martial law, Proclamation 1081. Only left intact after destruction of Intramuros during the Battle of Manila, San Agustin Church. Brains behind Arena Theater, Montano. A dance that uses handkerchief to illustrate a couple in romance, Cariñosa. Famous ballerina, Liza Macuja. Legazpi's Blood Compact in Bohol, Raha Sikatuna. Leader of Magdalo, Baldomero Aguinaldo. Leader of Magdiwang, Mariano Alvarez. Founder and editor of La Independencia, Antonio Luna. Benevolent Assimilation, William McKinley. Tagalog Republic, Macario Sakay. The Great Dissenter, most vocal to speak against countries' close association with Americans, Claro M. Rec. An enrolled bill will become a law after 90 days. Atin ko pong sing-sing, it's a Pampango song. Has the power to declare the existence of state of war, Congress. Here's the electoral protest against the winner, Electoral Tribunal. Science and art that deals with the morality of human act, ethics. Protist that causes malaria, Plasmodium. Came first during societal evolution, horticulture. Duties payable on goods, whether imported or exported, tariff. Considered as the first true mathematician, Thales. Author of Divine Comedy, Dante. First Filipino national artist, Fernando Amorsolo. First Filipino national artist in literature in 1973, Jose Garcia Villa. Greatest Indian poet, Francisco Petrarch. Oldest educational philosophy, Essentialism. Last Raha of Manila, Raha Sulaiman. Rizal's crowning glory as a young poet, A la Juventud Filipina.